Greetings, folks. Pilot Pete coming to you from CES 2026 in Las Vegas, where we're digging through the chaos to find the cool stuff worth your time and worth using. I stopped by the AWOL Vision booth, and they're showing off their new Athereion series of ultra-short throw projectors. Now, if you've ever thought about ditching your TV for something massive, listen up. They've got two new beasts, the Athereion Max and the Athereion Pro. The Max is the big dog. Brighter, badder, and priced tentatively at around $4,500. The Pro is its slightly more affordable sibling at $3,500, but here's the kicker. Both of them use something called pixel lock technology. What does that do? Well, it synchronizes every single pixel to keep the image razor sharp, even when you blow it up to a staggering 200 inches. You heard right, 200 inches. I was standing there looking at the demo screen at the booth, and it's about 96 inches, but the clarity was unreal. It's got enhanced black levels to make shadows actually look dark, not washed out gray, and a rainbow effect to kill those annoying color flashes you sometimes see with the laser projectors. And get this, you might not even need a screen. From what I've seen, if you have a smooth eggshell finish wall in a neutral color like white or cream, it paints it perfectly. You can get a massive 4K theater experience without hanging a giant piece of fabric. AWOL Vision also has a sister company called Valyrian doing long throw projectors if that's more your speed. But if you want that sit right against the wall magic, this Athereion series is the real deal. They're aiming for a March release, and trust me, I'm working on getting a loaner unit to put it through its paces and bring you a much more thorough review in the near future. Be sure to like and subscribe to our playlist below to get updated on all the cool stuff found we're hunting down this year at CES. From Las Vegas, this is Pilot Pete saying, stay sharp, watch big, and above all, don't get caught.